Next up is the 2025 Essex. So big change for the Essex is that it now comes standard on the Freightliner chassis. Spartan is an option, but the standard chassis is the Freightliner chassis. Check out this beautiful sand dollar exterior. This is the contemporary option for the Essex. So now we have 4 contemporary exteriors and 4 traditional exteriors. Here's the storage compartments for the 4551 floor plan. Now, one of the changes for 2025 are the MORRIDE compartment doors. Also, you get the push button controls if you've had that before, but the MORRIDE doors are new. We have the exterior freezer, the shelf above, and then we've got the shelf above here. That's really nice. It makes that space usable basically at the top of the chassis rail, and then you've got the pass-through space below. Again, you can option in the power storage trays, the manuals, or none at all. Our second pass-through tray here, we've got the shelf above, then we've got our optional exterior TV. You also are going to have your 360 camera that you're going to want to make sure you option in on the Essex so you get that bird's eye view as you're going down the road. Here is our half tray, our central vac, and our pegboard. So let's go inside. I have a big surprise for you in there. As I step into the Essex, I want to make sure that you see the beautiful panel here. We've got the 2 screens, but it's under one piece of glass, so it just looks really nice. High-end look, nice dash, looks very automotive. So love that for the 2025 Essex. Now this is what I'm so excited to show you. So I've been asking for years and years and years for us to have a contemporary option in the Essex. So check out this. We are in the Essex. Beautiful contemporary package. You still have your traditional package, which I'll show you next. But I just love that we finally have an option for those people that want to be in an Essex but want something a little bit more modern. These are the Newmar cabinets. So they're in the sable cabinet with the high gloss, and this is the San Remo interior. I just love it. Now there is one change for this contemporary package. You see how there's kind of the arch in the valance? So they're actually going to straighten that out. Again, kind of give it more of those clean, straight lines for the contemporary package. So you've got the contemporary options on the exterior, and now we have a contemporary option on the interior. Again, notice the beautiful ceiling treatment is going to be different on this contemporary package. I absolutely love that we have the choice. That's all I wanted was a choice, right? So we've optioned in the theater seating, power controls, storage here in the console, deep storage, and then the little tray. We've got our control panel here that will do the lighting, our TV lift. Again, I'm going to do my full walkthrough when we get these coaches in. So this is just a quick view of what you get in the Essex. So all that storage above, our AV cabinet, nice big TV, nice big windows, sofa, and then we head into the kitchen. So beautiful solid surface countertop, storage, flip storage there, a little spice drawer, convection microwave oven, pull out tray and adjustable shelf, another adjustable shelves there, nice big sink, 2 bowl, residential faucets with a little bit of the extra gold on there. I just think it looks really nice. Our induction cooktop with the covers, and then check out that. We've got our nice big drawer here. I wanted to show this induction cooktop because it's a little bit different than we've seen before. So this is the Bosch induction cooktop, 3-burner cooktop. We also get the extra countertop here, so check out that. A little bit more counter space, 3 more drawers. Then we have our nice big drawer here and our optional dishwasher, and you can get that with the wood surround, so it just looks really nice and seamless. The flip down, our garbage drawer. I love that that's just a pull out, and then we have our other pull out shelf. Across from the kitchen, we have the booth dinette. Again, we can option in the buffet, combo desk dinette. You just let us know. We have storage below. This is going to pull out. We're going to have 2 extra leaves and 2 extra chairs, so we can get 6 people here. The Bosch refrigerator. Freezer. And our pantry with the pull-out shelves and the adjustable area below. Across from that, we've got our silver leaf panel, our midship bathroom, welcome into the absolutely gorgeous master bedroom. King bed, look at that beautiful cabinetry above, the nice padded headboard, windows on either side. We have the nightstands with the wireless charging pad on both sides and plenty of room where you can actually make your bed without killing your knuckles. Storage across. And then we've got our nice big TV, huge window. That's what we want to talk about when we're in the Essex, all the windows. So you can really enjoy the outdoors while you're laying in bed if you want to. Nice 6 storage drawers here, and then we have the storage underneath the king size bed. So heading to the bathroom, one of the biggest showers in the RV industry, and I absolutely love it. We've got beautiful tile accent on the floor. Check out those faucets. We have the fixed faucet, the handheld. I love the combination of the brushed nickel and the brushed bronze. Just looks really beautiful. Optional washer and dryer, Splendid of course. And then we've got our porcelain toilet, push button controls, our emergency egress door. And now these are going to be different wardrobe panels in the contemporary. So just a little side note, they're going to change those a little bit. These are the prototypes. So then we have our nice cedar lined closet, adjustable shelves, and the wardrobe bar. And more space here, more wardrobe space, and pull out shoe shelf there. How nice is that? And 2 more drawers. I love that. Give you a little different option. Beautiful backlit mirror with our medicine cabinet to the side, the vessel sinks, backsplash, storage, flip down with a little compartment there. It's hard to see with that dark wood. And then we've got the 4 drawers down the center.